Basic face on, and I'm gonna just highlight my brows and do my blush. I need to do blush. We're using Cashbox blush. I feel like I want to do the most of my blush today. I'm using an angled brush to clean up my brows. I think my brows are a little bit too harsh. Typically don't go this harsh, but I got carried away. So this, I'm gonna do like a voiceover for the rest of the video because this young man came back in the room and I want to let him sleep a little bit before we go to dinner. So I'm gonna just do my makeup and then I'm gonna do a voiceover and we'll chit chat after this. So y'all, hair and makeup is ready. And now I just gotta get dressed. Let me show you better. I'm not so close to the camera.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be.
I see them man doing their thing over there, I'm like pre this door. I see a bag of man biting my.
Hey y'all. So my camera cut off yesterday. It was getting too hot. But it's another day. I'm on my way to Dubai Mall. Y'all, my lip got busted. I don't know if I told y'all yesterday how it got busted, but I was laying down like this. And my phone was on my holding in my hand like this. and then it just fell and hit me in my mouth. Yeah, and I got braces, so like probably the average person, it wouldn't have probably hurt them, but my lip got stuck to the thing, and it went like this. I was joking with my mama this morning. I said that but I told her he headbutted me. So and child, she didn't even believe it. She just was like whatever. But yeah. So we're here. Oh, this driveway is crazy. Look at the little lineup. You know.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you. Nothing crazy. Just it's the G-Wagon. Okay, so we're on this racetrack. Oh, they're already ready to go inside. Okay. But I'm gonna talk to y'all on one side. Hello, good evening. I'm gonna put my mask on. Damn, play back. The mask in here. Okay. Our first store is the Bottega store. This must be new because this wasn't here before. Okay, so let me catch up with Dave and then I'll talk to y'all after. When you come to the bar, you need to come to the Hummingbird Cafe. They have like the best cupcakes and cakes. It's so good. So I got the pink cupcake, which is really good. It's like a buttercream, and then I got a red velvet cupcake. I wanted to try the vegan stuff, but I just don't feel like this is a season for vegan right now. I'm gonna eat it. And then they have their little Ramadan special. And I've tried to take my nephew cake back home, but it just the cake never seems to make it off the plane. Cause like if I wake up during the plane ride and I want like something sweet, or you know, you have those little, it just don't ever make it. So I just stopped trying to take them back. Like I always just tell my family, like, oh my god, this cake's so good, cake's so good. It just don't never make it. It just don't ever make it back. So yeah, babe bought me some cake. You know, I'm starting my day when I get back home, child. So this will probably be the last piece of cake I have for a long time. And I have a headache. So yeah. I got the kids some stuff. I got both of our nephews some teddy bears, and then I got some little things. So yeah. So yeah, this is the like, I don't know, this is like the village side. Yeah, there's a market. So this is the not so glamorous resort and spa. See, these kind of look like the PJs right there. Look, they got clothes hanging, which all countries have this. Yeah, this is definitely the PJs, but let me have my camera, y'all. Bye. Hey y'all, so our Dubai trip is officially to its end, and I'm excited about heading home. I miss babe already, but I gotta head home. So I'm actually at the airport. My flight is about to leave. Well, actually they start boarding in 10 minutes, which is cool because I got enough time to eat. I'm not gonna eat all these fries, but I just wanted to show you guys what I ended up getting. I got this new avocado. I love chicken, so it's chicken, avocado, and bacon. And then I just got a strawberry lemonade. You know, I got some new pieces. I'm gonna show you I did an unboxing on Instagram, but I'll pretty much show you guys what I got, what babe got me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. These fries are fresh. So I'm gonna enjoy my food and then get ready for my flight. Talk to Babe a little bit before I take off. Yeah.